If we take a look at our schematics, we have a 1/4 inch back that needs to fit onto our project. We have previously inset our top rear rail 1/4 inch to accommodate the back. We have also cut our lower shelf 1/4 inch narrower, again to accommodate this 1/4 inch back. What we haven't yet done is create a rabbet along the sides to accommodate the 1/4 inch back. Some additional methods to creating this rabbet would be to use the dado stack on the table saw before we assemble anything. When we originally made the sides, we could also have routed a rabbet again before we assembled anything together. The big challenge is knowing when to stop when you're routering, and the dado of course would run the entire length. With the project on its face and a rabbeting bit in the router set to the thickness of my 1/4 inch back material, I want to secure my project to the table and make my first cut. And the other side as well.